Someone asked me how to hide subscriber count from your YouTube channel. So I make a temporary YouTube channel, and I will explain how to do that. First of all, go to youtube.com, then sign into your channel, and then click on the logo and go to YouTube Studio. In the YouTube Studio, in the left bottom, you will see setting. Click on the setting and go to channel. Then in channel there is advanced setting, and go a little down. You will get subscriber count, and there is a tick on display the number of people subscribed to my channel. If you don't want other people to see subscriber count of your channel, then click on it and then click on save. Now others can't see your subscribers count. I hope this helps.